Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. This week I'm in Petrolia, Ontario, Canada. And this is the Bluewater Health Foundation Dream Home Lottery. First time ever that I'm looking at it, so we're looking at it together. We're outside, and looks like there's a couple of green boxes here. Um, so no one wants those, but I mean, it's not that much of a big deal. It looks like it's more to the middle of between you and your neighbor, so not too bad. And we're at 4096 Earnest Street, again in Petrolia. And let's just get closer here. Oh, that's cool. Maybe I went too far. Let's go back. All right, and this BMW is worth about 69,000. It's their grand prize number 2. It doesn't come with the house, but you can still win it. And I believe they said that you can either take the car worth about 69,000 or cash 30,000 cash. So you might want to keep it and sell it privately. Maybe you'll get more that way if you don't want the car. All right. So, what do you think so far, guys? I like the landscaping. I like the wide area to go to right to your front door. For sure, you can easily just bring in groceries, or if someone in the family has a wheelchair or just doesn't like to go over steps, this is a great idea. You just slide right in. Just the kids, don't take your bikes in there. I love the porch here. You know, you don't see a lot of these anymore. And it's just a great way to spy on your neighbors without looking like you're spying, right? All right, let's get in. Let's get into the nitty gritty. Come in the front door. You have that beautiful, well, why do you say beautiful? I don't know what I'm talking about. I feel like a real estate agent right now. That's a beautiful closet to the left. Got some carpet going on. You got I do like the vault, is it called vaulted ceilings, guys? I think so. Look at the windows. Those are cool on the side of the house because you don't see, neighbors can't see in, and you don't need curtains, and it brings in the natural light. I like that. It's a very smart idea. I think it's wonderful. Let's go in. Kitchen. Oh, the fireplace looks great. I love the color combination on that fireplace. You can fit 4 people on that table and so about 8 in that kitchen area. That's cool. And I like the dark cabinets. People are, the designers are really going into dark kitchens, using a lot of different elements. So you got the warm and cool look going, mixed together. A lot of them are using like stones and woods together, and it just really creates this, I don't know, like just a beautiful space to enjoy family and friends and gather around. Once COVID's done, we can do that, right? So, again, just beautiful. I like the double sinks. Look at that view. Just imagine yourself cooking up a turkey dinner, you know, I don't know, making a pizza, or just chilling out, right? Maybe in the morning, coffee. So, I just love it. If you're, this is a great spot for an older couple too, right? I mean, you saw at the front how easy it was to come in. If you have a walker or just don't like walking over steps, this is a great house. Great house to win. So good luck if you got tickets, guys. And look, there's an outlet there, so you can put your mixer, plug it in without tripping over cords. Oh, look. So there's a laundry room. Let's take a look. Very nice. And then the main floor, you have everything. Like, again, it's just so nice. Oops, I went outside again, guys. Sorry, let's skip through this. Alright, so I'm back, and we are, sorry about that, technical difficulty, and we're back in. Yeah, so you got the nice size laundry area. You got the sink, you got some drawers, you got your washer dryer, you got the folding table, and a place to put your soaps. Whoa! Whoa, what the? There's a hand, guys. Hopefully that guy doesn't come with the house. That was spooky. Sorry. All right, let me get out of here. It makes sense. He's holding the door because it obviously it'll shut, but that's pretty funny. Ugh, let me catch my breath. Okay, so let's get out of here. Let's go to the left. What do we see here? Which way should I go? Yeah, I guess left. Okay, let me try to navigate this. All right, push forward, push. Okay, so here we go. It looks like a standard kind of bedroom. Look at that's nice. It's pretty nice. Let's keep going out. Okay, you got the bathroom. No curtain rod, no curtain yet, but just shows you exactly what you get. You know, dress it up the way you want. That's the whole point. Got the window, lots of natural light so far. Let's take a look. No rainfall shower head here, but it's one of those nice ones you take off and you know clean all your privates, nice and easy. I got the mirror, the lights, one sink, lots of room, lots of storage space for your hairbrushes and toothpaste and all that fun. All right. Whoops. Great backyard by the looks of it. Once the rain comes, makes it all green again. Got your TV in the corner like a sliding door. Nice bed. Sweet dreams. Sweet dreams indeed will happen here. So get your tickets. All right. I like it. I like the woods. What do you think so far? I kind of think it's cool. Let's go in. You got the walk-in closet. Very generous, by the way. His and hers, right and left, whatever you prefer. I'm kind of a right-sided person. I don't know why. Guess I'm a right-hand person, and it's the way my mind works. Okay, the very bright. I like the modern shower. Again, doesn't look like there's a rainfall. I don't know why I'm on the rainfall kick, but I mean, most of these dream homes have them, so I'm just surprised not to see one. And looks like they're missing a mirror here, but yeah, I guess they'll put one in for you. And one sink is kind of unusual. Should be two there. I guess it's just tight for room in there. So, and no tub. So if you're into a tub, a little bath, you won't get it here. All right, so let's get out. But very nice, like very nice. I like the all the doors and trimmings. Great details. Oh, look at some girl there in the mirror. The girl in the mirror. What's that all about? All right, let's go. Keep going. Let me see. Where should I go? I guess the only way is to go down, kids. So let's go downstairs. I'll make my way down. Very bright. First impression. Look at that. Very bright it seems to get down. It's not a gloomy doomy type of basement. Looks like it's got good height. It's finished. Finished basement. Great. Whoa. Lots of room in here. Double door closet. Great bedroom for a basement. Very good space. Yeah, and then I guess a bathroom here, right across from that. Yep. And looks pretty modern for Petrolia. Petrolia stepping it up. Look at that. Very nice ovals and everything going on there. Nice shower again. You walk in. Oh, rainfall. There it is. I knew there had to be a rainfall somewhere. It's just strange it's in the basement one, but hey, it's there, guys. It's there. Beautiful spot here, the living area. You bring your kids, your grandkids to spend time down here. You could put a pool table, it looks like, in the back with a little bar in that space. What do you think? Or a ping pong table, some entertainment, I guess. And over here we have an area you can put a little bit of storage if you want, or just keep it as is. Has all your fun stuff that keeps everything running smooth. Very nice. Look at it bright. Look at the windows. Really brightens it up down there. Okay, let's get out of here. I like it so far. It's a good time to ask you, how do you like it so far? Can you see yourself in here? Okay. Let's see. Let's go back in here. I want to see if I can get to the outside. I might cut this video. We'll see. I kind of want to see if I can go outside. Let's check out the backyard. Come on. Looks nice here. You can put your barbecue, some kind of a deck. Can't get out here, guys. Doesn't let me. But it looks pretty cool. Looks like there is room. Looks like it has a fenced-in yard all ready for you. So that's great. I love this view. So I think that's really it. I think I'll leave it here. Go back out, just take another look around and tell you thanks for watching. Please comment. I love your comments, guys. It's just so heartwarming, and I appreciate it a lot. If you hit like, if you hit subscribe, it really helps. And it's just a passion of mine to share this kind of stuff with you, because it's just, I love dream homes. I just love homes. I should be a realtor, but I'm not. Not yet anyways, right? There's always time in life. So I hope you enjoyed this, and please like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see. Maybe there's a dream home you want to see and that I haven't covered yet, and I'd love to do that for you. Thanks. Have a great day.